In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a stroke to a shape in Photoshop. A stroke is simply an outline around your shape, and it's a great way to make elements stand out, create emphasis, or match a design style. We'll walk through selecting your shape, choosing a stroke color, and fine-tuning the thickness, style, and alignment so it looks clean and professional. Start by opening Adobe Photoshop with the image or document you're working on. In the Layers panel, click the layer that contains the shape you want to outline so it's active. This helps Photoshop apply changes to the right element. If you're working with a vector shape, you'll have the most flexibility and the cleanest edges. Next, head over to the Pen tool in the left toolbar. With the Pen tool active, click on your shape to select it. When a shape is selected, Photoshop shows stroke controls in the top options bar. If you're seeing fill and stroke swatches there, you're in the right place. Remember, these options are context aware, so they appear when a shape layer is selected. Look at the options bar at the top and click the stroke swatch. Choose a color that contrasts well with your shape and background so the outline is easy to see. You can use the color picker, pick from recent colors, or sample from your canvas. If you're designing for multiple sizes, choose something that reads clearly at small scales. Now, adjust the size of the stroke to set its thickness. This is typically measured in pixels. Increase the value if you need a bold outline or reduce it for a more subtle edge. Then choose the style of the stroke. You can keep it solid for a clean, classic look or switch to dashed or dotted for a more graphic feel. You'll also see options that affect how corners and ends render, which can help round off sharp angles or keep edges crisp. Finally, adjust alignment. Inside alignment places the stroke fully within the shape's boundary, which helps keep corners sharp. Center alignment splits the stroke across the edge. Outside alignment pushes the stroke outward, which is useful when you don't want to cover the shape's fill. Pick the one that maintains the details you care about most. That's all you need to add a polished stroke to a shape in Photoshop. Make a few test adjustments, zoom in to check the edges, and you're good to go. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Photoshop tips and tutorials.